Hi Caroline, hi Nikki, thanks for your comments. I've read them all, but I'm not going to have time to do anything about them probably until the weekend now. I've just finished packing for a 2-day install and I'm not coming home until Friday. I did have a very quick look at the pantry. I've built the fridge model exactly to the dimensions you gave me, and I've hinged the door on the correct side. Now, assuming that the room depth is correct, and I have, what do I have? 1.3 metres. Let's just have a look at how this door moves. Very close there, very close there. Okay, so the only position this fridge is going to work is with its, as you face the fridge, its right cheek needs to be on the centre of the door. Otherwise, I fixed that. It's obvious what's going on. If you move it to the left or to the right, it's going to bump with the left or right bits of the room there. So we've got the correct depth there, front to back, up against the skirting board, 18mm skirting board, and we've got a 1.3 metre room depth there. The door length is going to be a function of the fridge's width. It's going to be very close, so there is really only one position that fridge will go, and that is with that side on the centre line of that door frame. So if I don't have it already, we need to start being really accurate about the door width and the distance the door is from that wall. I think those dimensions need to be double checked. I don't think I've got them very accurately at the moment, and obviously that 1.3 is critical. And then, I mean, what you've got there is as good as useless. We are dealing with a one-sided design, in my opinion. Okay, check all of that please, because that is absolutely critical to how we design everything else in the pantry. Sorry for the coughing, and I will speak very soon.